And this is a new feature of YouTube, and one that frankly was long overdue. And in Creation Tools you've got the audio library, and here you've got loads of music. Doesn't like much on this page, but there is loads that you can use on your YouTube videos. You can still monetize your videos, you can use them, and you will not get done for copyright or content IDs. This is music that you can use. Very easy to use. By pressing the button here you can play or pause the track. Press that, takes a few seconds on my link today, and you can hear that, which was much louder than I'd expected. You get a title, which doesn't help much. You get the time, you get a category or genre. This line here shows how often it's been used, how popular it is. So here I'm just in featured, and that is a very popular, lots of people have used it. You can mark this as a favourite, just click that, or unclick that because I didn't like it, and that will appear in your favourites. That button there will allow you to download that particular track, and then you can edit it into your video. You can search by genre, so alternative, punk, ambient. Cinematic works very well for documentary type films. You've got country music, hip hop and rap, music for holidays. Let's just see that come up. You've got some of these incidentally that have got these little stars by them, and they're for Christmas and special holiday periods and so on, so that whole channel is devoted to them. They were going to just put those on for Christmas, but they seem to have let them on there now. And you've got jazz and blues music. You've got some nice relaxing music, and you can see I've used some of those a few times. So you can search by genre, you can search by mood, angry, mood, let's look at inspirational music, and you've got a whole load of those. You can see which ones are most popular, and again you can scroll down through loads of those. You can search by instrument, so if you just want something, you want a piano or an acoustic guitar or a trumpet, you can do that. One of the great things that's very, very useful, you can search by length. So I've got a piece of film here that is 2 minutes 20 seconds, let's say, and I can search for by the length of that. Sorry, I just need to bring that down. So 3 minutes 40, minimum is 1 minute on this, but down to 2 minutes 20 seconds. That will now sort itself out, so only films up to 2 minutes 20 seconds, between 1 minute and 2 minutes 20 seconds will appear, and therefore any of those will fit into my film. You can see that, and you can alter that as much as you want to, or you can if you can grab hold of it properly. And you see that's 4 minutes 40, and this will update in a few seconds now, and you can see some of the longer films appearing there. So download background music for your videos for free. Down the very bottom here, if I can scroll all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, we've got terms and conditions. They tell you how it's used, but basically as long as you're using it for your YouTube film, then you can use that. Very easy to do. Audio library creation tools, being added to all the time, absolutely fantastic, really useful, and you've got no worries about copyright and so on, so don't hesitate to use that. Some of the music is absolutely superb. There's some quite famous bits. There's lots of other bits that you won't recognise that works as a music bed under your voice, that works as background and so on. So have a play with that. And if you watch any movie, you go to the cinema, go to the movies and watch all the time. There is music there. There is always some sort of music bed, something underneath. Try watching a film with and without that music. It's amazing what a difference it makes. Put it on at a low level and you can make a heck of a difference to your film. The enjoyment is there. The retention time of the film is longer. People like your films. They also subscribe. They also watch more of them. Win, win, win. So Creation Tools, Audio Library.